Hey guys, today we're here with another packing video, and today this order is for Gilbert Longoria. He commented down below, so we chose him for our video for this one. He ordered the S10 wicker bill, and as you can see here, it comes with a gloss black finish. And then for his order, here's the clear piece. He added the 5% tint, as right there. And along with his order, he ordered the premium vicrez hardware, as you can see right here. Black with the gold one. We'll go ahead and freaking pack it up. So first we're gonna go ahead and cover up the wicker bill. I'm gonna use the plastic. So there we got it wrapped up. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the clear piece. After we're gonna go ahead and put them inside the box. Throw in the hardware, and for his gifts, we're gonna give him 2 lanyards, red and black, and the vicrez decal. Let's go ahead and close it up. Alright, there you go. Hope you enjoy. Gilbert, thank you for the support. See you guys next time. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Just don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Stay tuned for more future videos. See you guys on the next one.